Ember Smart Heating Control from EPH. The Setup Guide. Installation of Programmer, Thermostats and the Ember Gateway. The Ember app for remote access of your heating system is compatible with the R-Range RF programmers, which include R17 RF for 1 zone, R27 RF for 2 zones, R37 RF for 3 zones, and R47 RF for 4 zones. These programmers communicate by RF with wireless room thermostat and wireless cylinder thermostat, and they allow remote app control through a smart device, when used with a separate gateway unit. Ember 2-Zone Smart Control Setup. EPH 2-Zone Smart Control includes a 2-zone wireless programmer, gateway, wireless room thermostat and a wireless cylinder thermostat. Wireless programmer installation. If the backplate requires wiring, please refer to the wiring instructions. With the power off, attach the wireless programmer to the pre-wired backplate, and tighten the fixing screws. Now the R27 RF programmer is installed. Installing the wireless room thermostat. Press the button on the bottom of the thermostat to detach the housing from backplate and insert 2 AAA batteries. Then clip the front housing back. Mounting the wireless room thermostat. The thermostat can be mounted to the stand provided, or wall-mounted. Installing the Ember Gateway. Plug the mains power cable into the gateway. It will communicate with both the programmer and your internet router wirelessly. For full instructions and advanced settings, please refer to the installation instructions included. Thank you for choosing Ember.